Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As you know, my name is Jennifer. We are doing a DIY Play-Doh fall sensory little jar for my daughters. I just thought I would just show you guys how I did it. Excuse my tripod, I could not get it not to be seen. But hey, everything is not perfect, so here we are. This is real life. I'm showing you everything that I'm gonna use. It's all Dollar Tree items, $1.25, $1.02. Look how beautiful this ribbon is. I'm so obsessed. How beautiful. These are just the little items that I'm gonna put so they can do their little sensory. They can decorate their Play-Doh. Would be a perfect idea if you're giving out little fall baskets. If you want to do a little gift to your daughter, son, grandson, granddaughter, whoever. This is definitely on a budget. Like I said, everything here is from the Dollar Tree. Love these little leaves, and also you can use these for other items as well to decor. Such a good thing. So let me continue to show you the stuff that I'm using and enjoy it. As you can see, I already chose my color, so I'm going to go ahead and use like this lighter muted orange, which I think would be absolutely gorgeous for the fall vibe that I'm going with. I'm going to remove this little sticker, which surprisingly was really easy to do so I'm so glad for that. And yes, this is glass. My daughters are 7 and 5. They're very careful, but of course, if you have smaller kids, you want to do this, definitely pick up a plastic little container to put all the goodies in. That's what I would recommend. But like I said, I love the aesthetic of it. My daughters are old enough, and you know, we all know our kids, but it doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, this video is definitely not a perfect aesthetic video, but it's just real life, me showing you how even if you're not a huge craft DIYer, you can definitely put stuff together on a budget with a lot of love for your loved ones, for your kids, grandkids, nieces, nephews, whoever it might be. So now I'm going ahead and just making like a small little circle just so it could fit in the little jar, making it look as cute as possible, just because that's definitely my vibe. Kind of remind me like if I'm making a little tortilla, or maybe it's too thick for a tortilla. Now that I went ahead and got the orange Play-Doh inside the little mason jar, I'm just going to make it as flat as possible, as much as I can. By no means perfect, but just so I can have room to assemble the rest of the little goodies that I'm going to put inside here. I'm going with the little pumpkin theme you're going to see in the end, but that's what I'm doing right now, just making it as flat as possible. As you can see, now I'm pushing this green Play-Doh down as flat as possible, and I did go with like a pumpkin color with the orange and the green. I thought that would be absolutely adorable, and it just gives it more fall vibes. But yes, I'm pushing this down just so I can have enough room to add all the cute little goodies that I'm going to be putting in this little Play-Doh sensory DIY. So first I was gonna cut this off actually completely, but then I decided to just leave a little bit on just because I felt like it could be easier to put it down on the Play-Doh. I don't know, was that even a thing? Let me know, guys, if that was. But I also added another one, and you're gonna see a little bit later that I actually took it off because it was too bulky for the other stuff that I was gonna put on. But definitely, I think this is so adorable. And honestly, I was trying to make it look aesthetically pleasing for the video as possible, but you could definitely add as much as you want or as minimal as you want. That's the beautiful thing of doing a DIY. You can put it exactly how you want it and do it your way. But doesn't this look so cute? Makes me want to go to the pumpkin patch. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the other little table scatters, which I think it's such a cute concept. So I just absolutely love it. That is everything that I'm gonna go ahead and add to the little jar. I absolutely love doing this DIY. It was actually so relaxing. I don't even know if I could say therapeutic, but it was so much fun. I enjoyed it so much. I love how everything came out, and it was so affordable, guys. Like I said, everything that I used was from the Dollar Tree. So this is your sign. If you've been wanting to start any DIY, any project, just go ahead and do it. You might even enjoy it more than you think. Now I'm deciding between what ribbon I'm gonna use, and of course I went with the neutral one just because I absolutely love this print and I just had to use it. So excited to use it for other stuff too. Such a beautiful ribbon, and for $1.25, I think it's definitely worth it. But as I was saying earlier, go ahead and start your fall projects, your fall crafts. You do not have to be a professional DIYer by any means. As you can see in this video, I'm definitely far from it, but I absolutely loved it, and I had so much fun creating this for my daughters, and I know how much they're gonna love it, so that even makes it even more worth it. I'm gonna go ahead and tie it around this little mason jar. As you can see, I am definitely not a professional bow maker, tire, probably is not a word, but I did my best. And once again, I absolutely just love how it came out. It was done with a lot of love. I'm going to be creating so much more in the future because I absolutely enjoyed making this. Just going ahead and trying to adjust a little bow to make it look as pretty as possible, which honestly I really like how it came out, even though I had to tie the little ribbon even tighter on the mason jar just because it was a little loose and it kept coming up. But once I figured that out and tied it a little bit better, it looked absolutely beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, just DIYing with me. Definitely, once again, I'm not a professional by any means, but it was absolutely so much fun, and I hope this inspires you to make any DIY that you've been thinking about this fall season or even upcoming Christmas season, because it's so much fun, and whoever you're gifting it to, even if it's for yourself, it's definitely worth it. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video, and bye for now.